Hey people, just as of basically that's what as of last week I picked up this book called 52 Red Pills by Aika and Siddharth Banerjee, and oh my god, what a book it is! It's basically this the very word red pills has been taken from this Matrix movie, right? Blue pill and red pill. What you choose to take will alter your life. I mean, it's been quite a long time since I've seen the movie Matrix, but so that's what this 52 red pills is, because there are 52 weeks in a year, and each week the writers had decided to basically speak on a new subject. While I'm here, I just have to give you a glimpse of the sky above. Just take a look at it. Yeah, it's like gorgeous isn't the word. So no, I feel while recording these kind of things are important, but 52 red pills, yeah, this book will help you see the world in a different light. Like, as in, every week a new topic they've handled, right? From food to meditation to whiskey to, basically living. So it's been written by a couple, and who basically they were MBA graduates, and they say that by the age of 24 they had been married and they had their first child also. So you know really sometimes in life one wonders, right, what next. So that's what, when you read this book, you realize that this couple are really on a journey to transform their lives. So do try and catch it, people. You can find it on Amazon. It's called 52 Red Pills. And this I had this very nice piece of information here in this book that says that, did you know why do we wear braids? I mean, little girls are made to wear braids, and even little pandits, they wear tiny little choti piche. So apparently that acts like an antenna, because all the world is a vibration and it helps you absorb knowledge faster. So I think I should probably be wearing plaits and I should make this video. Anyway, this is going to be a quite a long video. It's almost 2 minutes, but 52 red pills it is. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.